So we're here at Cefn Druids with a very happy Aberystwyth town manager, Matthew Bishop. Matthew, congratulations on a 3-0 win. Great result.
Yeah, an ugly win. I wouldn't say it's a classic from us. I think we've had to defend really well tonight. Fair play to Cefn Druids. I thought they were very good with the ball today and caused us a few problems. But the lads have dug in. It's been a long day for them. Most of them, in fact, all of them, been working today and then jumped on a bus and travelled here 4 hours and then they put a performance on like that. 3 good goals, a penalty save from Chris Mullock, which is outstanding, and a clean sheet. So a really good night for us, and I'm just pleased that one, we've got the result. 2, we've found a different way of winning. Because when we've won games, we've played really well and dominated. But today we've had to be quite resolute and disciplined. And there's a lot of tired bodies in there tonight, but they've deserved everything they got tonight.
Today, it's interesting. You talk about a different type of win. I mean, it reminded me a little bit, perhaps, of the wins earlier in the season at Llandudno and Airbus. Do you think there's something?
Yeah, and I think that was missing a little bit. I had a chat with the players in the week, how important the next 6 games were for us, and the mentality and the approach to it, and it's not saying the effort, but what was required. And tonight, that's the minimum that's required in terms of defensive performance and discipline and shape, and we did that. And the difference, I think, tonight that for maybe some of the other games we've played is that we've taken our chances, and 3 really good goals. The first goal, great finish from Jeff, good little bit of combination play. We worked on that in training this week. Luke Borelli scored at a really good time, and then Costas popped up at the end with a great finish. And I'm delighted. We've used all 3 subs tonight, and they've all come on and made a difference. So really pleased that where we are. But we got a long way to go. We got 5 more games, 3 at home, 2 away. All are going to be tough, but you never know.
And of course, instead of 7 days, we've only got 3 days to enjoy this win, because we're back on it on Tuesday.
Yeah, and we're going to have a really tough game against Bangor. New manager. I think I said this a couple of weeks ago, and then we never got the game on for whatever reason. So it's going to be really a good challenge for us as a group. But we've gone in there now, 2 games, 2 wins underneath the belt, scored 5 goals, and we haven't conceded 1. So we've had 2 clean sheets, so I'm pleased. And the fact we've won ugly, I keep saying it, I think it's really important, because psychologically it shows that players can do it.
And that kind of victory is probably better for team spirit than a 5-0 stroll sometimes.
And without a doubt, and against a team that's in and around us as well, that are fighting for that, that top 6 spot. They're in the running. Obviously they were a point ahead of us before tonight, but we've now got the advantage of a couple of points ahead and the game in hand, I think it is. So psychologically, that's a big win for us tonight, and we need to now carry that into the next 5 games, and you never know. For the season we've had, who knows? So we'll see.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Bish. See you on Tuesday night.
Thanks.
Cheers.